The European Space Agency, ESA, works at the forefront of new satellite technologies and scientific breakthrough. This is where Proba satellites come in, as an orbital test platform for new technology. Although ESA can simulate some parts of the extreme space environment here on Earth, it's not sufficient and can never replace the full conditions of space itself.
To make sure, or to give the confidence that that technology will actually work as advertised, you really need to be in orbit. And that's where the microsatellite that we use in the Proba series came up. They help us to get the final validation for our technology.
The Proba family is a set of small, simple, robust satellites using materials with proven reliability. Although they are relatively low cost and are the size of a washing machine with solar panels, the Proba satellites are packed with innovative instruments and offer a great testbed for research. Proba stands for Project for On-Board Autonomy, which means that these mini-satellites are smart enough to manage themselves in space. ESA launched the first such satellite, Proba 1, in 2001. Its mission was to demonstrate a new type of environmental monitoring instrument, measure radiation along its orbital path, and test a new generation of batteries. It's actually still being used today for Earth observation, and this success has opened up new opportunities.
In the case of Proba 1, which gave the name to the series, it was the autonomy on orbit of the satellite itself. And then we send out an AO saying, we want to try this. This is the spacecraft on which we're going to do it. Who out there is interested to use it for a mission, for a scientific mission? So we have what we call a payload of opportunity.
The experience was repeated in 2009 with the Proba 2 satellite, and this time the success of the experimental payload was even greater. While in space, Proba 2 continuously monitors solar activity and space weather, sharing its data with solar scientists and meteorologists worldwide.
This is really the way to go, and this effectively achieves what we want. They gotta stay small, they gotta stay fast, and they gotta stay cheap, but at the same time, we need to do more innovation, more innovative missions in this sense.
And the innovation continues, as ESA is developing a pair of Proba 3 satellites demonstrating formation flying in space to study the Sun from 2017. And now ready for launch from Kourou aboard Vega is Proba V, V for vegetation. This is the first time a Proba satellite has been assigned an operational mission from the start. It will monitor vegetation growth on Earth daily with a compact new imager. But being a proper Proba, the new mission also carries with it some technological demonstration payloads, including an innovative system to track aircraft in flight around the world. Sometimes with small, you can think big.